Hello kids, hello everyone. Let's all welcome the star of Kitsuna, Lala Chan. Hello kids, hello everyone. Kids, samahan natin sila. Let's follow Lala Chan. Come on, wow, very good naman. Hi! Okay, dito tayo na sa gitna, kids. Come on. Very good naman. Okay, dito tayo sa gitna, kids. Alright, dito tayo sa gitna. Very good na, kids. Everyone, let's raise your hands. Once again po, yung mga kids natin sa toy corner area, sa ballroom area, and sa narrative area, ini-invite namin kayong lahat na pumunta dito sa aming event area para sa ating sports together with Lala Chan. Ayan, very good naman. Okay, so parents and guardians, outside of event area muna po tayo para ma-maximize ang ating kids sa ating event area. Okay? Now everyone, please, let's raise your hands. Taas ang dalawang kamay. Taas po ang dalawang kamay. And let's shake, shake, shake. Raise your hands. And shake, shake, shake. Alright, good job. Once again po, sa parents and guardians, outside of event area muna po tayo para ma-maximize ang kids sa ating event area. Now kids, before we start, magpapakilala muna po kami. Ako nga pala si Ate Ate, ang inyong host for today, together with Kuya Jay and Ate Abby. And of course, the one and only the star, Lala Chan. Let's clap your hands for Lala Chan, kids. Alright, very good now, kids. Mag-warm up dance tayo, okay? Pero bago tayo mag-warm up dance, ipapakita muna sa atin ni Lala Chan kung paano mag-dance, okay? Practice muna tayo, kids. Ngayon, kids, sa ating warm-up dance, kailangan natin mag-jump tayo and cross legs like this. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Ganyan. Another one. And then jump tayo and shake your body. And then let's turn around. Okay, ngayon, kids, gagayahin natin si Lala Chan, okay? Ngayon, titiyan ko si Ate MJ. Alright, very good. Now, kids, magdadance tayo. Let's march, kids. Slowly march. March tayo, march. Alright, very good. Alright, very good. Alright. Ganyan si Ate. Check your body. One more time. Check your body. Let's turn around. Very good. And then one more time. sit down, okay? Sit down tayo, sit down. Baby girl, sit down. Very good. Okay na, kids. Maglalaro tayo ngayon ng tag of war, okay? Okay, yes. Ngayon po, bago tayo mag-play, ipapakita ko na sa atin ni Ate Abby at ni Kuya Jay kung paano siya laruin, okay? Ayan. Okay, ngayon kids, sa larong tag of war, kailangan natin ng Team A and ng Team B. Two teams. Ayan. Okay, kailangan natin ng rope and ng flag, okay? Ngayon, para mag-start ang games natin, maghihilangan ng dalawang team. Ang Team A and ang Team B, magkakaroon sa Andrew ng 15-1. Pero, pag nahila na naman ang kabilang team, magkakaroon si Ate Andrew ng 15-1. And kung paano na matapos ang countings, sila na po ang winner. Naintindihan ba, kids? Talaga ba? Parang di naman. Isa pa nga naintindihan ba? Alright, very good. Ayan, ano yung Lara dyan? Oh, wait na, may pinapasabi sa atin si Lara dyan. Ano yung Lara dyan? Okay, sabi ni Lara dyan, safety reminders lang daw muna tayo na no pushing, no fighting, no running, firmly hold the rope, be smart and enjoy the game. Do you understand? Alright, good job. Now kids, let's stand up. Group yourselves into 5 from Team A and Team B, okay? Magkakount si Ate MJ, dapat po, pag nakapag-count na si Ate MJ, tapos na in 7, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, ayan. Kulang pa tayo. Baka may kids pa na gustong sumali sa ating event for today. Punta na dito, kids. Ayan. Baka may iba pang kids na gustong sumali. Okay. Okay, doon na lang tayo kukuha. Okay, now kids. Okay, arms forward. Arms forward tayo. Arms forward. Very good. Lilipat tayo sa ating vocabulary. And then, okay, let's cheer your team. Team A and Team B. Team A kay Ate Abby and Team B kay Kuya Jay. Now kids, let's go! Go! Ayan, very good naman. Go kids! Okay, dito tayo. Very good yung mga teams natin. Be careful lang sa paglipat sa ating event area. Very good. Let's cheer your team, kids. Ayan, pwede din pong i-cheer yung mga guardians natin. Ang ating mga kids. Alright, very good. Very good naman yung mga kids natin. Pwede na po sila dyan na yung pagkasa. Okay? Careful lang lahat ng kids. Careful. Okay, very good. Team A, dito sa aking right side and Team B sa left side. Okay? Okay, now kids, yung Team A dito po kay Ate Abby and Team B kay Kuya Jay. Very good. Okay, punta tayo. Very good naman. Okay? Careful lang tayo. And let's move forward dito kay Ate MJ. Parents and guardians, pwede po natin i-cheer ang ating mga kids. Okay? Ayan, very good. Now, kids. Okay, lapit tayo konti dito. Move forward, move forward. Alright, good job. Okay, kuya, come on, let's forward. Okay, stop. Okay, now everyone, let's raise your hands. Taas po ang dalawang kamay. And let's shake, shake, shake. Ayan, para ma-relax ang ating team. Alright, very good. Ayan, naayusin na natin. I-distribute na ni Ate Abby ang ating rope from Team A and Team B naman kay Kuya Jay. Now kids, everyone, let's raise your hands. Alright, good job. Okay, raise your hands, kids. Raise your hands. Very good naman. And shake, shake, shake para ma-relax tayo. Bago tayo mag-stop. Okay, good job. Now, okay. Now, the Team A. Kids, are you ready? O, wala pa pong hila. Wait lang. Excited na si Baby. Okay. Ayan, hawak tayo. Lapit konti. Alright, very good. Now, sa ating rematch game. CB! Kids, are you ready? CB Kids, are you ready? Yes, Dalan dyan, are you ready? Ayan. And sa ating parents and guardians, ready na ba kayong i-cheer yung mga kids? Yes, very good naman. Okay? Hold your rope, kids. Hold your rope. In 3, 2, 1, pull. Go, kids. 15, 15, 14, 13, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 15, 15, 14, 13, 12, 15, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1! Ang nanalo ang Team A! Very good naman. Okay, lapit tayo dito, kids. Lapit kayo. Okay, kids, lapit kayo. Lapit konti. Lapit kayo, kids. Lapit konti dito sa harapan, sa tabi ni Lala dyan. Come on, kids. Very good naman. Lapit tayo konti. Okay. Stop lang, boys. Stop lang. Diyan lang. Wala pang aalis sa pila natin. Ayan. Now, Team B, dahil nanalo ang Team A, bibigyan natin sila ng 5 claps to congratulate them. Ready tayo? Magpa-5 claps tayo, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright. Now, Team B, at Team A, bibigyan natin ng Team B ng 3 claps dahil ginawa naman nila yung best nila. Okay, 3 claps tayo. Ready? In 3, 2, 1, go! 1, 2, 3. Okay, now kids, let's arms forward. Arms forward tayo, kids. Arms forward. Ayan. Babalik tayo sa ating ball area, sa ating event area. Okay, careful lang, kids, ha? Wala pong aalis sa ating pila. Arms forward lang. Very good yung mga kids natin. Okay? Okay, careful lang. Sila natin sila dyan, okay? Okay, come on, kids. Let's go. Ayan. Very good naman yung dalawang kids natin. Nag-follow sa ating instruction. Okay? Dito tayo, kids. Ito na tayo sa ating event area. Very good. Okay, careful lang tayo, kids, ha? Dito na tayo sa ating event area. Ipagpapatuloy pa natin yung ating event. Okay? Lahat ng kids dito sa gitna. Very good naman yung mga kids natin. Dito tayo sa gitna. Dito lahat ng kids sa gitna. Come on, kids. Dito tayo sa gitna. Very good talaga yung mga kids natin. Okay, ngayon kids, let's raise your hands. Taas ang kamay. Taas ang mga kamay natin and shake, shake, shake. Very good naman. Okay, now kids, down your hands and let's inhale, exhale. One more time. Inhale, exhale. Ayan. Nag-enjoy ba lahat ng kids? Ayan. Very good naman. Pati sila dyan very happy kasi nag-enjoy lahat ng kids. Now kids, bago bigay ni Lala dyan yung surprise na magda-dance pa tayo ng favorite dance na Love is the Treasure. Okay? Gagayahin natin si Lala dyan mag-dance, ha? Naintindihan po ba? Alright. Very good. Now kids, everyone, let's raise your hands. And down. Okay, gagayahin natin si Lala dyan, kids, ha? March, kids, and drum. March, kids. Very good. Okay, now let's step back, kids. kids, let's go now.
We'll make the world a better place.
Raise your hand.
Hello, my favorite Diana. Sing, sing, sing. Come on and sing with me.
Raise your hand.
My favorite smile is Diana. Sing, sing, sing. My favorite treasure.
Alright, and stop. Very good naman. Clap your hands naman, kids. Dahil very good dancers yung mga kids. Now, kids, lapit tayo dito sa harapan. Okay, let's sit down. Very good naman. Ayan. Now, kids, ready na ba kayo sa surprise ni Lala Chan? Ayan, ready na daw. Ngayon, wait natin dahil tinuruan yung surprise ni Lala Chan. Okay? Okay, da. Okay, now, kids, in 3, 2, 1, surprise! Alright, wala po na tayo. Let's raise your hands na muna, kids. Taas po ang kamay. Ayan, para yung mga naka-raise your hands, merong balloons from Lala Chan. Okay, sit down, baby. Sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down. Sit down, sit down.
Daw na muna baby girl, sit down. Baby girl,
Okay, very good naman. Ayan. Come on, Kuya. Dito ka. Okay, sit down ka para may balance ka din. Alright, very good. Okay, now kids, ang gagawin natin sa balloons natin, let's raise your balloons. Taas po natin yung balloons natin. And wave, wave, wave. Okay, ngayon ang gagawin ko. Not that sweet. Okay, sit down ka muna, come on. Ayan. Now kids, practice tayo. Pag sinabi ni Ate MJ na Kidzuna, you will shout, hooray! Naintindihan po ba? Okay, very good. Practice tayo, kids. In 3, 2, 1, Kidzuna! Alright, very good. But kids, gusto ko yung mas malakas pa, okay? Parents and guardians, para din po ng ating cameras, okay? Ngayon, taas natin yung balloons natin. Okay, now kids, ready tayo in 3, 2, 1, Kidzuna! Alright, very good kids. But still sit down tayo dahil may pinapasabi sa atin si Lala Chan. Ano yung Lala Chan? Okay. Ano pa yun? Ano pa yun? Okay, sabi ni Lala Chan kids na she is very happy to see you all kids down. And we would like to thank sa ating parents and guardians for the warm support sa ating mga kids. Okay? Ano pa yun? Ano pa yung Lala Chan? Okay. Ayan kids, may pinapatanong si Lala Chan. Sabi ni Lala Chan, gusto niyo daw bang mag-birthday sa Kidzuna? Yes! Dahil yes ang sagot. Parents and guardians, available na po ang aming birthday party package sa Kidzuna Nationwide. Pwede po kayo mag-inquire sa aming brand list task. Now kids, it's time to say goodbye to Lala Chan. Bye Lala Chan! And it's only here where fun-filled never ends. Kidzuna! Bye! Okay, yung picture taking natin sa Ballpool area kids. Fall in line kayo together with your guardians. Thank you!